TronMakers. So in this one we're going to look at level 1. So this is the entry level. So when you join, you'll pay up by level entry 1 with 100 TRX. So the incentive per partner is 180 TRX. So on level 1 that will mean there'll be 5 partners. They are upstream partners, and it's paid up to 5 lines. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upstream partners will get paid, and so there are this many partners on those levels, and that's the amount, and 100 will go to the contract referrer. So TRX profit adds up once you get all these people underneath, and that's the payout for these people. So now you are qualified to receive earnings from all 5 downlines. So it may take a couple of days. The bigger the team, the faster you'll get paid. Our team's the biggest, so if you want to join, get under our team, hit the referral link below. Make sure you go to Tron link wallet in Chrome browser. Make sure you've got Tron in there. You can use Just Swap or any place to get Tron, and you can then connect up to the link below, which is the TronMakers link, and that will, you can then sign a smart contract approval to enter. So make sure that you put in the number below, my partner ID, and you can get into the biggest team, and that's the fastest way of getting paid through. So the TRX profit is the partners times incentive. Total trying to receive is 180 times 62. So at this level, if you're at the top and you've got that many people, you have 11,160. Remember, everyone gets paid beginning and end, and there's a random function assignment as well, which helps make that happen. So that's level 1, folks, 1000 TRX entry. Hope you enjoyed that. Do hit the link below. Of course, subscribe, like, and share this channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.